New Zealand has produced some of the most incredible women in the world. From politicians to pilots, we are not short on talented, tough women. With so many to choose from, here are just some of the most inspiring New Zealand women. Kate Sheppard was a suffragette who led us to become the first country in the world to allow women to vote. She fought hard for women's rights in New Zealand in areas like contraception, the right to divorce, and the right for women to be legal guardians of their children. Today, you can see her on our $10 note. Dame Whina Cooper was a Māori activist who fought for Māori land rights, healthcare, and rights for Māori women. She led protests and marches and was widely known for the 1975 Māori Land March from Te Hapua to Wellington. As a respected kuia, she was bestowed the title Te Whaia o Te Motu, Mother of the Nation.
We are marching to Parliament and no more land to be sold.
Kate Edgar applied for a scholarship without stating her gender at a time when there was no higher education for women. After winning her scholarship, she attended classes as the only female in an all-male school. In July 1877, Kate Edgar became the first woman in New Zealand to obtain a university degree. In 1999, Georgina Beyer was the first openly trans mayor and member of parliament, not only in New Zealand, but in the world. During her time in parliament, she advocated for Māori rights and protested for equality within the LGBT community.
I'm happy to stare you in the eye. Why do you hate people like us so much?
Jean Batten was a New Zealand pilot and made a number of record-breaking flights across the world in the 1930s. She made the first ever solo flight from England to New Zealand in 1936. She was honoured by local Māori in Rotorua and given the title Hine o Te Rangi, Daughter of the Skies. Helen Clark was New Zealand's first elected female Prime Minister from 1999 to 2008, and then became the first female administrator of the United Nations Development Programme from 2009 to 2017. During her time as Prime Minister, Helen Clark addressed controversial issues like the Iraq War, same-sex civil unions, and prostitution, which was legalised in 2003. Forbes magazine ranked her the 22nd most powerful woman in the world in 2016. Throughout history, Kiwi women have been some of the most influential people on the planet. And for a little country at the bottom of the world, we're pretty fucking great.